Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kia Sorento key fob battery. First, let's gather our materials. You will need one new CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Additionally, have a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool ready. These simple items are all you need to successfully replace your key fob battery in just a few minutes. Make sure your area is clear and well lit. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button, usually found on the side, and slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small indentation or slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this opening. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Use your small screwdriver to gently lift and remove it from its holder. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Press it down gently to secure it in place. Once the new battery is in, carefully align the two halves of the key fob cover. Press them together until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring all edges are flush. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks securely. Finally, stand near your Kia Sorento and test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.